Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to turn off active status on Facebook Messenger if you guys didn't already know, and if you guys are bored by your relatives or your friends messaging you, seeing that you're active on your Facebook Messenger. So to turn off your active status on Messenger, all you have to do is go to Messenger first. So after you're on this Messenger app, you'll have to go to your profile, which is at the top left corner right here. You click on there, and at profile, below the profile, you'll say active status. You can clearly see that my active status is off. As of now, it is written right here that it's off. So I'm gonna turn on right now. So you can see now it's turned on. So to turn off active status, you need to click on the active status button, and you click on this. You make this gray. You click on turn off, and your active status has been turned off on Facebook Messenger now. So to turn on your active or to turn on your activity status, you click on this again, make it blue, and you click that again and make it gray, and you'll be done. So this is how you turn off active status on Facebook Messenger. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.